Hi, I'm Kyle McWilliam Lopez, the Executive Director of the local American Red Cross. I'm here to let you know about our upcoming Sound the Alarm event in Salem on Saturday, May 6th. And I want to invite you to join our effort to end home fires once and for all. Home fires claim 7 lives every day across the country. They can happen to anybody in any neighborhood. If it's your home, you have less than 2 minutes to escape safely. That's why it's so important to be ready. On May 6th, the American Red Cross will be installing free smoke alarms and providing home fire safety education so that you can keep your family safe. I encourage you to sign up for a free smoke alarm appointment by calling 1-800-564-1234 or visiting www.soundthealarm.org/MA. You can also sign up to volunteer on the website. Thank you for considering this opportunity to make your home and Salem residents safer. I hope to see you at Sound the Alarm. Together, we can sound the alarm on safety.